Hi everybody, this is Todd with the Forex Nitty Gritty Insiders Daily video for Thursday, May 31st, 2012. Hard to believe we're already at the end of the month of May. Time is certainly flying by, and hopefully we're progressing with our trades and are comfortable with what we're doing and feel good about the process of making money trading Forex, and especially using the simple trading method. Just a couple of headlines here. If we look at news that's coming out tomorrow, we do have one of the more significant events that come out, and that is the non-farm payroll. We had unemployment claims come out higher than forecast today. Preliminary GDP came out at 1.9%, which was exactly what the forecast was. So, we have a lot of things here that are happening, and so we want to keep an eye on that movement that occurs, that volatility that occurs with the news. And that is certainly something to pay attention to for tomorrow. So keep that in mind. The other things that we have going on, oil's down to $86 a barrel, which is as low as it's been for quite a while. Gold up $3 to $15.65. It's kind of been hovering in that area for quite a while. So that is something that we want to watch. Also, the European markets, Asian markets were all down, and right now the U.S. market is down. Likewise, about almost 100 points on the Dow, more than 1% on the Nasdaq and the S&P as we currently speak. So let's just take a look here at, and really what I want to focus in on is the hourly charts today. Now you'll notice that the markets will move in various fashions. They'll either move, horizontally or vertically along the way. And we need to be able to know when to look for opportunities to trade. Now, obviously in an uptrend, if the trend is moving up, making higher highs and higher lows, we want to be looking at buying into this as it begins to pull back towards our area of support. So as we identify areas that are swinging, and you can see, it goes through these movements up and down and all around, and that certainly is something that we want to be able to pay attention to. Now on the hourly chart here of the Aussie dollar, I'm going to put on here our moving average. Average. I'm going to use the 40 period simple moving average, and you can see that we're clearly trending down, and as this swing goes counter trend, meaning it moves against the trend, that's really where we want to start to look for opportunities to go short using the simple trading method. Now in this instance, we would have entered in somewhere in this area here as it moved below the lowest low of the last three. So that is a nice setup. Now for those of you that are trading longer term or shorter term, the hourly charts tend to be a nice mixture between the two. Being able to have enough trades to keep you active, but not so much that you're not having to sit in front of your computer every single moment of the day. So that's something to consider, this hourly chart. Now we're just going to scan through the rest of these and just kind of see what we have happening. You can see a similar type of a thing here with the euro dollar. It moved up, starting to roll over. And we've got the pound dollar, which has had a horrible week this week, just getting crushed as it's moving down. Big movements even over the last few hours here. So looking for those pullbacks, looking in the direction of the trend is critical for our simple trading method. US CAD been in an uptrend, and everything really has been in a strong trend. Nice bounce up off the moving average there. US Swiss franc. Some of these lines here. Again, a nice solid bounce. And so if we were watching that, and hopefully you're keeping an eye on the markets, and you're looking for those opportunities to go long or short using the simple trading method when it meets that set of criteria. But when we're dealing with markets that are in extreme trends like we are right now, any type of a pullback in a counter trend fashion, meaning counter to that moving average trend or the direction it's going, is going to give us opportunities to look for that simple trading method. So take some time to practice with that. Make sure you understand it. Use the hourly chart as a way to identify some entries, and if you do that, you'll be trading properly. So with that, we'll wrap it up. We'll be back tomorrow. We'll take a look at what non-farm payroll does. Between now and then, be cautious of that, and we'll be back to see what happens after that announcement. So until tomorrow, have a fantastic day. We'll talk to you soon.